I have to look for the hat on. Where it's gonna go? Yeah, spray that. All of it. All the way to the bottom, like up to the right there. Yeah, that's perfect. More here on my side. Like, because it's gonna go right up to that little curb where it ends. There you go. More at the top in the corner. Like on the right corner, sorry, my corner. Like over here. Like up there. Over there? Yeah, spray all that. Perfect. Okay, now I can spray this thing all wet. Spray it, all of it. Because the water's gonna let me move it around so I don't have to, because it's like a big sticker. The problem is that if there's the water, more at the top too. Everything. I don't care if I get wet. Do not try to get it wet on purpose. Okay, does it look all soaked? Okay, look at that, this is how you do it, okay. So then with the water, now I could just kind of throw it on top. Be over there to guide it, okay? Okay. Very careful. Okay.
So you're gonna pull that side up more?
No, well, there has to be like an even gap. Like, I don't want it to be like this, right? I have to kind of. Oh, wait. Okay.
No.
Because it has to be like. See how like there's a cutout? Oh, yeah, right. So. Careful here. How does that. Okay, like. Can you turn the car? The keys are somewhere. They're not in my pocket. They're on the ground. Yep, it's ready. Sorry. Not really though. You know why I am.